Welcome, from is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and today I will show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, what you want to do is power off the device by sliding the panel and tapping on the power key right here. Choose power off. And from there, hold power key and volume up. Let's try that again. There we go. So once you see the Samsung logo, you can let go. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you will navigate and you want to select wipe cache partition right here. And then confirm with the power key like so, and select yes. And you will see right here, cache wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default. So press power key once more, and the device will power back on into the Android. And there we go, we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.